I could use this pedal still, right?
Oh yeah.
That's why it's a 6. So it's even bigger foot.
Figure it out.
It'd be nice if you could just grab
This.
it.
Yeah.
This is fucking good.
That's it, Mario.
There you go.
Yes, dude.
Press it out.
Press it out. There's gonna be a right foot by your right hip. You just gotta stand all the way, all the way, all the way, all the way up.
Right, what?
In and up just a bit. That'll work. That'll work. You
Oh my God,
Lean in, lean in, lean in.
Oh my. What else do I have?
The.
Oh shit, I'm over
You're good. That's it. The one by your right knee. That'll work.
Just hurry up.
Yeah, just.
Whoa! Did I flash that too? They flash. Fuck!
That's not the foot I intended.
That was crazy.
That was a lot higher than.
That was the first time I ever
Jeez.
did that.